morning to one and all. Welcome to Gopal News. So many people are asking to tell about the naval exercise which is going to be conducted between the Indian Army and the American Army. So yesterday it was started. That is the world's largest aircraft carrier, that is Indian warship, conducted naval exercise together. So here, as day by day the standoff is going on between the India and the China. So amid these tensions, the USA has given support for India. So the US Navy said that the Nimitz Carrier Strike Group is currently deployed to the Indian Ocean in support of a free and open Indo-Pacific. So it is the world's largest aircraft carrier group. And the Indian naval ships on Monday conducted a passage of exercise with the United States Navy's USS this. So here, the world's largest aircraft carrier, that is which is conducted in the exercise is conducted in the Bay of Bengal amid tensions with the China. And recently the China has become very aggression on its neighboring countries, not only in India. So even these Asian countries also, they are also suffering with the aggression of this China. So amid these tensions, so the world's largest aircraft carrier, that is Nimitz, so along with this so Transkin class guided missile cruiser, so these both cruiser missiles are included in this exercise. So both Indian Navy and the US Navy has conducted high-ended exercises. So about this training and to increase their and mainly in concentration with the China. So China has showing its aggression with the neighboring countries. So to counter this one, so USA has participated in this one, and the joint naval exercise was conducted. And even this America also said that so it was a privilege to operate with the Indian Navy. So said this chief of this army, and the opportunity to have this Nimitz Carrier Strike Group. So in this way, they have expressed their privilege in participating of this. So this naval exercise was conducted in the Bay of Bengal region, and China is keeping an eye on this one. So here, the world's largest aircraft carrier group also included. So the America is telling that this will be a great support for the Indo-Pacific regions with the China. And here, so the US Navy also said that the Nimitz Carrier Strike Group is currently deployed to the Indian Ocean in support of a free and open Indo-Pacific regions. So day by day, the Indo-Pacific regions, they are having the tensions with India, that is mainly with China. So the China keeping an eye on that, these exercises are conducted. And the Indian Navy also increased its surveillance missions and beef in the operation deployment in the Indian Ocean region in the wake of the country's bitter border standoff with China in the eastern Ladakh. So Ladakh regions are mainly we can see aggression the Chinese soldiers. So these exercises has played a vital role in these amid tensions with the China. So these are the exercises which are conducted by China, the India and the USA Army amid tensions with China. So this is the end of this topic. So please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos and updates. So thanking you. Have a nice day.